So what do I pack in my suitcase? This is one of the biggest questions that students are asking right now for their study abroad journeys as to prepare to start a new semester, is what to put in your luggage. Thankfully, Simi, an international student, is going to break down the essentials for you guys and going to help you to know exactly what to put in your luggage. Hey friends, welcome to China Coaching. Rob here. I'm so lucky to have had conversations with hundreds and thousands of international students all over the world. We love helping guide you to be successful in your cross-cultural journeys. Simi, who's studying abroad herself, has some great tips to guide you in your packing process. Check it out.
Hello everyone, my name is Simi and I come from India. I'm an MSc International Marketing student at the University of Northampton, and today we are going to see what to pack to the university, and I highly recommend this video for all the international students. I really wish if I had seen something similar before coming from India. So let's check out. So let's get started. First thing, safety always first. So get your mask. So this is a washable one, but you can get a washable or disposable one. Everything is fine. And then your sanitizer. That's divine. So if you're coming in for a September break, don't forget your winter jacket because it gets really cold here from September. So a pair of socks, thermals, and good shoes will be enough, especially if you're coming from a tropical climate. But don't carry a lot of stuff because we have a lot of high street shops here in the Northampton. And then don't forget all your important certificates, documents. So I suggest you take a black folder like this where you can keep all your files, and then an international driving license if you have one. Super important, don't forget your medicines, and even if you forget your medicines, don't forget your prescription because apparently in UK it's really difficult to get medicines on top of the counter. So prescription super important. Some basic first aid. If you're someone struggling with eyesight like me, don't forget your power glasses, and if you like wearing lenses, the lens cases, lens solution, very important. Now some basic electronic stuff, your phone chargers, your earphones, power bank, universal adapter, and don't forget your laptop. So if you're an international student and a really homesick person like me, you definitely need something that reminds you of your home, right? So I bought this from home, Lord Buddha, my mom gave me, and my favorite coffee mug, and carry some religious books because it's always good to keep God at heart, and then maybe your favorite book from home. So these are not something that's really important, but I suggest you carry a pair of your ethnic wear that represents your home country because there are ethnic shops here, but they're really expensive. And then if you're from Asia, you know what I'm talking about, right? Your basic spices or ingredients, anything that reminds the taste of your home country. So I hope this video has been helpful for many of you out there who are planning into the University of Northampton. Our university is strictly adhering to all the government regulations to make it a COVID-19 safety campus. We are all happy and excited to welcome you here at the University of Northampton. Happy learning!
Well, that was amazing. Thanks so much, Simi. Be sure to give a big like and thumbs up to say thanks to Simi, sharing her advice and wisdom. While Simi gave some great suggestions, there's probably some things that aren't in this list. So what are some other essentials? Go ahead and tell us in the comments. Put there what else is necessary for international students to pack, to give you guys some other tips. And at China Coaching, again, we want to help you guys be successful in your cross-cultural journey. So be sure to subscribe to get more great content that we're going to put out to help you guys. Connect with us online on social media. And thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time at China Coaching. Cheers.